So my husband and I bought the Security Eufy Cam 3 Cam kit, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it was to set this up and install it, as well as how we use the camera. So first we installed the mounts. The first mount was for the camera itself, and then the second mount we put up was for the solar panel. And we just want to make sure that the solar panel is facing the sun so that it gets enough sunlight. It was very easy to install, as was the camera itself. Then we hooked up our home base and hooked it up to the Ethernet. We then went ahead and installed the app on our phones, and here's an image of me at night, pitch black outside. The camera is using color night vision. Here's another image that it detected during the daytime, me just walking around the house. It automatically starts to record. So absolutely love this Security Eufy Cam